Hi, this is Math Globe. Can you evaluate the expression where the digit 2 appears 2021 times? Let the solution come. Okay, first, let's write the expression here. Then let's assume that the function f of n denote the corresponding expression with the digit 2 appearing exactly n times. Next, we plug in n integer values, 1, 2, 3 and so on. As seen according to number of 2 plugged into the function, the numerator of the fraction is always equals to n. And the denominator is n plus 1. Okay, then let's keep playing around until we see a pattern. As a result, the function f of n can be generalized as follows. From this we note that the denominator is always equal to n plus 1. As given in the question, function f of 2021 will be 2021 over 2022. And this is the solution.